Okay, today we are driving through the Jellystone Park and campground in Larkspur, Colorado. Larkspur is about halfway between Denver and Colorado Springs, 10 miles south of Castle Rock. On the right here they have a miniature golf course and a really nice water park that they've built. Last year there was a Jellystone here previously, but they've gone through and they've completely scraped it and built this brand new park that just opened this year. They have over 500 camping spots here, camping spots and cabins. So it's quite busy on the weekends. My advice is if you can get here early on a Friday or a Thursday night, that might be the better option, just to avoid the rush of people coming on the weekend. Right in front of us here, there's a boxcar and a little lookout tower. On the right here is the main office and where the campground store is. A couple more sections that they are still working on getting completed. This is the main clubhouse. Behind here, as we'll go around, you'll see the swimming pool, and there's also a nice little outdoor area that they've used to put on concerts here while I've been here. I've been here for about 2 weeks. They do have weekly rates, but you are limited. You can only stay 28 days in a row, and then you have to leave for, I think it's 2 weeks before you can come back for another 28 days. I think they're just open April through October. Now here's the swimming pool on the right. As we make the turn here, you'll see all the cabins that they've built and brought in. This building here on the left has a playground area in it, has mini bowling in it. As you can see, and you saw, we passed over railroad tracks coming in, and you can see I-25 down here. So if you're sensitive to sound, that might be an issue for you, but it hasn't bothered me at all while I've been here. Little dog run area on the right. This is a gym here on the right. Rec room. Lots of outdoor social areas that you can hang out at, and not just at your campsite. They've done a really good job designing this park. I didn't stay here before the remodel, but I really have enjoyed my time here, and they've taken good care of me. And you have some beautiful scenery around the area. It is Colorado, and I've seen some deer here in the park. They've talked that there have been some bears running around, so you have to be careful with that. But it doesn't, I've seen lots of people with dogs out here, so that's should be fine in that regard. Is there going to be enough room for me to get by? Nope, they're going to pull out of my way. Thank you. The construction hasn't been real bad while I've been here. I'm here in September of 2020. And all the construction should be finished by next year. If you go up the hill here to the right, there's a lot more cabins. Trash cans. I've seen at least 3 sets of trash cans here. There might be more. Looked like they picked up on Thursday to make certain that they're ready for the weekend. Here on the left you have tennis courts, a basketball court, a jump pad, as I say, great place to bring the family if you want to get away and do something different. All the amenities are included in your camping stay. Additional guests that you might want to bring are $10 a day. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe. That way I can continue to keep doing this. I'll be headed back to Texas, well, Oklahoma and Texas here in the next couple of weeks for the winter. Got some snow out here in Colorado, and it's like, okay, time to leave. Lots of golf carts that they have you can rent. You can see the water park here on the right. I'll try and make a sharper turn. There's the propane refill. These sites right by the water park haven't been open yet, but I'm sure they will be here this next year. You are just 10 miles south of Castle Rock, which is 15 miles south of Denver. It's a little suburb community that has basically everything you might want or need. The only negative I've run across the whole time I've been here is that their laundry facilities weren't open yet, so wasn't able to go do any laundry the 2 weeks I've been here, but I'll just have to do that on my next stop, Amarillo. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this little tour of Jellystone Park in Larkspur, Colorado. Yep. I'm coming down here. Thank you very much, and I hope everyone has a great day.